Hygge day, having a Hygge day. So this is how urban foraging looks. I think I want to make a fire today. It is a crisp Sunday. It's not that cold. And I need some little branches in order to make this happen. And I literally did not set this up for the shot, but we have this branch right here. Gonna take it in the house and use it for some tinder. So we brought everything in and snapped all those dead twigs from that branch into a nice pile of kindling. And we're gonna make, this will be the first fire that I've had in this fireplace in literally probably a decade. So I finally got the flue fixed, and I just wanted to point out, well, you can't really see it. I'll put a picture in here of the chain that was fixed. Like, who knew that the C meant closed? I don't know that I ever paid attention to that. I just knew it was a little C. I don't know. Maybe I thought it was a C for chimney. I don't know. Anyway, Hygge day, having a Hygge day. This is literally a roaring fire. Not gonna make too big of a fire today, just nice and cozy, right? Feeling so legit right now. Part of the day will be spent planning out the garden. This is a wonderful activity for a January Sunday. I'm so excited to begin planning my garden for the upcoming year. And it is such a beautiful rosy color from the hibiscus. I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey. It's almost like it knew that the snow was coming and that today needed to be comfortable and cozy, meditative. Mhm. The world from my window right now. And so that was a Hygge day. Everything's sort of calming down now. The fire is burned down to just little coals, little bit of a glow. That's the end of the fire. Save this little bit of a log for the next fire. Still nice and warm.